Today, let's talk about how to fix Instagram followers not showing. Straight away solution that you can try out if new followers or none of your followers are showing up on your Instagram is try to swipe down from your profile section or through this profile page, and this will update any new followers that have been added or if none of the followers are currently showing. If this step does not work out for you, the second thing that you can do is head out of your Instagram out, remove it from the recent searches or from your recent application, and then open it up again. If this step does not work out either, what you can do is try logging out of your Instagram account. So head over to the logout and make sure you log out and then try logging in back. What you can also try out is try to clear the data or cache of your Instagram app. Tap and hold the app of Instagram and then head over to app info. From this setting on the bottom right, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can tap on first of all clear cache, and then you can also tap on the clear data option. What this will do is clear out any caches that may be causing the issue and will also log you out of your Instagram account automatically. Once you've done this process, try to log in back and you should be able to now see your follower count. This is likely caused by temporary bugs, so if it is not showing up right now, in a couple of hours it will likely show up. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's gonna be all with this one. I'll see you in the next video.